Hey guys, this is the 26th of October 2023. My software is giving me a buy signal. I'm gonna take this buy and set my take profit there. There you go. All right, so news is over with, right? And as you can see, we'll be able to make some good profits on this account. We started this account with $250. Okay, as you can see, we've made a withdrawal of over $25,000 so far. Scroll down, look at all that profit. Yeah, this is the $15,000 withdrawal we made the last time, and we made a profit of over $73,000 scalping this. If you want to buy the course, go to hedgingmastermind.com. If you want to get VIP signals, which are going to start 1st of January, limited to only 50 people, entry to the signal group is close. Oh, there you go, take profit. Entry to the, that's $300 there. Entry to the signal group in less than 40 seconds. Entry to the signal group is going to end at the end of this year. It's going to be limited to only 50 people. I've never really done a VIP signal group before, so you want to join in. If you want to copy my trades, connect to my account to see that the system works. Make sure you sign up in Mega Market, link in description below. Make sure you have at least $350 to $500 in your account and send me proof of that on Telegram. And if you want to test the software that does all the analysis for me, sign up in Mega Market also, link in description below. Make sure you have at least $150 so it lets me know that you're serious about taking trades and testing the software and getting the course, and send me proof of that on Telegram. With that being said, we'll see if we have another scalp trade in the market for me to record. See, this is how you just make profits in and out. That's how it's meant to be scalping. And yeah, we'll be right back once we have more profits in the market. Like, share, and subscribe.